In this video, we are going to see regarding about units of measure. This tells that how the particular stock item, product or goods can be measured. Let's see units of measure. The unit in which a particular stock item, a product or goods has to be measured. Stock items which are purchased or sold will be on the basis of quantity. And the quantity has to be measured by units. That is nothing but units of measure. For that sake, it is required, it is necessary to create units of measure before we go for creating the stock item. In Tally, we have two types of units. One is simple, the other one is compound. Simple units such as numbers, meters, kilograms, pieces, etc. Compound units where we will be having two simple units. That is, a box consists of 10 pieces. In this case, a box and the pieces has to be created. Tally has two types of units, simple and compound. Let's see the simple units of measure, how to create this one. Units can be measured either using simple or compound, right? Examples for the simple units will be numbers, meters, kilograms, pieces, liters, right, etc. To create simple units of measure, again we have to begin from gateway of Tally, masters, inventory info, units of measure. Then here comes out with the create option. In case of units of measure, we don't have two different modes, that is single and multiple mode. We will be having just only one menu, that will be units. Under units, we will be having the first option, that will be the create. Next is regarding about decimal places. Decimal places to be used along with particular units of measure. For example, suppose if I just take here grams, 10.75 grams, right? In that case, we require the decimals, correct? We don't use decimals for all the units, but for certain units, we will be using decimal places. In this field, we can specify the decimal places from 0 to 4, right? We can have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Above 4 is not allowed. Means this indicates that we can have decimal places up to 4. This field is useful for units which are measured in fractions. Now let's see the practical part of how to create simple units of measure in Tally. From the gateway of Tally, masters, inventory info, just click on this one. This will take us to inventory info menu, and here comes out with units of measure, right? Either we can click on this one or else we can use a shortcut key, that will be the letter U. Just click on this one. This will take us to units menu, and here we have the option create display alter. Here we can see display alter is deactivated. This indicates that by default we don't have any predefined or built-in units of measure which is provided by Tally. Whatever we create will be of user defined, correct? Let's go for creating simple units of measure. Just click on this one, create, and this will take us to the window unit creation, and here we can see the first field, that is type, right? Simple. In the same way we can go back by using the key backspace, right? And here we have two simple compound. Let's select for simple. Simple we will take here number, right, or numbers, correct? Formal name we have to provide it fully, right? Symbol we have given here NOS. This indicates here numbers. Formal name we have to provide it completely, and this particular field is optional. Numbers. Number of decimal places default is 0, and this can take till up to 4, right? But for this particular unit we will be taking here 0. To save this one, press Y. Enter. Accept question mark, press Y from the keyboard. The next one will be kilograms, kgs. Formal name is optional. Kilograms, right? Number of decimal places we will take here 2. Accept, press Y from the keyboard. The next one, let's take here pieces, right? Formal name we are not providing, and decimals will be 0. Later accept, press Y from the keyboard, right? The next is regarding about how to create compound units of measure. These are the derived units which are formed by combination of simple units of measure with a conversion factor, which require or which need a conversion factor. A compound unit is a relation between two simple units of measure. Hence, before we go for creating compound units of measure, we have to ensure that we have already created two simple units of measure. For example, to create unit that is dozen of 12 numbers. In this case, dozen and numbers have to be created, right? Again, the procedure is same whether it is for simple or compound. Again, we have to begin from gateway of tally, masters, inventory info, units of measure. Then here comes out with the option that will be create. Correct? Yes. Now let's see the practical part in tally. Units menu, right? Click on create, type simple, backspace key, select for compound using the arrow keys. Then here we can just see here first unit. Let's go for creating 1 dozen is equals to 12 numbers, right? In that case, the first unit will be dozen, which has to be created. To create that one which is not available in the list, we can create from here also. In that case, we have to use the shortcut key that will be Alt C. Alt C to create, that is C to create. A secondary window has come down, correct? I just type here dozen, formal name optional, decimal places 0, accept Y, a dozen of 12, second units we have to provide here, that will be numbers, 1 dozen of 12 numbers, or even we can just tell here pieces also, right? Let's take here pieces. Accept question mark, press Y from the keyboard. Okay. In the same way, we will go for one more example here. One bag consists of 50 kgs of rice, right? The bag is not available in the list. We have to go for creating. Just press here Alt C, backspace, select for simple, bag, right, save, press Y from the keyboard, bag of 50 kgs of rice, accept question mark, press Y from the keyboard. The next one is regarding about how to display the units of measure. Right? We can display the existing units of measure which is created by the user. In case of Tally, it will not allow the user to alter, edit, modify, change, right, any information in case of display mode or display option. Down we have the procedure here. Again, this will begin from gateway of Tally, masters, inventory info, units of measure, then display. A note is provided here. In case of display mode, it is not possible to make any changes. This indicates that we cannot do any editing or changes, alter, update or modify. Let's see the practical part of this one in Tally. Units menu, just go for display. Click on this one and here we can see the listing. We can go for display of this one. Simple. Escape to come out. The same way we can go for compound. Dozen of 12 pieces. Right. The same way we can come out back to the menu. Just click once again. Just escape. Press escape. We will be back to the units menu. The next one is regarding about altering units of measure. In case of alter, we can go for display. We can alter, change, update, modify. Correct. The same way the procedure is given here. This will begin from gateway of Tally, masters, inventory info, units of measure or units menu, alter option. Down we have the note here. In alteration mode, we cannot alter number of decimal places field. This particular field we cannot alter. Rest other things can be changed. We can do the modification. Let's see this one in case of Tally. Just go to the alter option. Right, we can alter. Can we see that the cursor pointer has come down where we can do the modifications, right? The same way we can go for other things, other units. Instead of pieces, we are taking here numbers. Accept, question mark, press Y from the keyboard. Earlier it was pieces, right now it has come down with numbers. The same way we will come back to the menu. Back to the units menu. The last one is regarding about deletion, that is how to delete units of measure. We don't have any delete option, but we can delete units of measure using the alter option, and we have to make use there the shortcut key, that was Alt plus D, D to delete. We can delete units of measure from the alter mode screen by pressing the shortcut key, that will be Alt plus D. But in the same way, we cannot delete a unit of measure that is a part of compound units of measure. In this case, first we have to delete compound units of measure first, then we have to go for deleting the simple unit which is relating with the compound measure. Down the procedure is given here. Gateway of Tally, masters, inventory info, units menu, alter option, and there we have to make use the shortcut key, that will be Alt plus D. Let's see the practical part in Tally. Units menu, alter, right? We will delete right now the pieces. Alt D. Yes, press Y from the keyboard. The next one we will go back to bag of 50 kgs. Now we will see how to delete the another compound units of measure. Alt D to delete. Numbers. Alt D to delete. Right. In the same way we will be back to the menu. Right. That is units menu. We have a warning message here. Units of measure has to be set only once. It cannot be altered later on. Let's see what happens. Why units of measure cannot be altered later on? Opening stock 10 kg, inwards 2, outwards 3, closing stock, it's a big question mark. See, when it is changed, we can see here kg, liter, kilometer, then this will be a big question mark, correct? Now here comes out with how to select units of measure. There are two different parameters are available. This can be based on nature of stock item, and the second one will be based on style of the business. This completes the units of measure. Thank you. Keep watching the videos which are uploaded on the channel.